So I decided to sit in kind of a different place in the room today. I'm trying some like different backgrounds and stuff till I kind of figure out what I want. But I just got my cause box, which is now Alltrue. So I actually don't remember which things I picked this time because it took a really long time to get to me. So I'm really excited to open this. So this is what the box looks like. And it had this cause box sticker that said "Pill Here" over the new logo. So that, I guess that's basically like their transition. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. This is what the inside looks like. Hopefully you guys can see that. Super pretty packaging, and I am so ready to open this up. I hate messing up their packaging, but... So the first thing I have in here is the All Good Things. It's like a little book. I think it's like maybe their new magazine thing or something that they're starting. So that's cute. Definitely something I will look at later. Then they have one of their little cute postcards in here. They have the guide to the summer box that tells you about like all the things in it. This one seems like it is a pretty big fold out, so I'm not going to do that right now. Then they also have the introduction to Alltrue, so it kind of tells about why they changed their name and all that stuff. So they have that. Now let's get into what things I chose. I think I'm going to start with this. So the first thing I have in here is the Golden and Pine Waffle Knit Dishcloth. It's a set of 4. And I feel like I'm getting old because whenever there's like homeware, I always get like really excited. So this is the first thing, and it has this cute little thing to like sit them in. So I think these are absolutely adorable. They feel really good quality. There's a little bit of stitching issues. I think that's just a string, but they feel really good quality. And they seem like they would be like really good at cleaning stuff. So, and it says you can wash them. It says not to tumble dry them. So I'm going to have to remember that. But they feel like really, really nice. And I'm really excited for these. So that's the first thing in here. Let's see if I can like stick them in their little thing. Wonder how hard this will be. Kind of hard to get in there, but how cute is that? That is adorable. The next thing that I have in here is this. This is the Bamboozled 5-piece nesting bowl set. It is sustainable, durable, repurposed, and biodegradable. It is approximately 70% bamboo fiber, 15% cornstarch, and 15% resin. They are dishwasher safe, but they are not microwave safe. So I'm going to take this off so we can look at them. Got some tape on the edges. Just get that. So they have an interesting smell to them. I guess that's from the bamboo or something, but these are very cute. I'm curious how durable they are though, because they almost feel like they're not plastic, obviously. So I'm curious if you were to accidentally drop these, what they would be like. But I've got this big one I'm holding, then they are just progressively down, but it's a bunch of different colors, and they're just like super cute. I'm really excited to add these to my like little collection. So after that, the next thing in here is the brand with a heart. It's the Oh My God Smooth Leave-In Conditioning Blend. It is plant-based, and it says it is fortified with our N+ cocktail of Maiki berries, our signature blend of superfruits, and our protein complex. It provides color and heat protection. The result: silky smooth, frizz-free, bodylicious, bouncy full locks with amazing shine. Apply onto damp or dry hair, comb through for even distribution and style as desired. So I'm excited to try this. I'm always on the lookout for something that can help with frizz. So this is definitely something I'm going to be giving a shot, and it's super cool that it's plant-based and vegan. So if this works, I will definitely be getting more of it. Next up, I got this. This is heavy. This is the on-the-go cutlery set. It's got a knife, fork, spoon, and the travel case, and it's from Small House. So I'm going to slide it out of here. Pull that and take the top off. And it's got these cute little pieces. It's a pretty good knife and stuff. These are adorable. Oh my goodness. Let me hold them up so you guys can see. They're so tiny, but that's like perfect. I love the shape of these. This is almost like a spork, to be honest. I feel like you could work with it that way. But these are so cute, and they come in their own little case. So you just slide them in there. And they are good to go and can be kept in your bag. I'm thinking that the spoon might have to go first. Hold on. Yeah, I think the spoon has to go on the bottom. So they only work in here like the one way. But how cute is that? And then you can just keep this in your purse so you don't have to use like plastic cutlery and stuff. So that is absolutely adorable. Really excited for that. Next thing in here is the Cosmetics. Cosmetics Skin Thirst Moisturizing Hydraulic Acid Cream. It says quench your skin with this oil-free moisturizing hyaluronic acid cream. The Lush Gel to Velvet formula soothes to I cannot talk tonight, you guys. The Lush Gel to Velvet formula soothes on contact and instantly mattifies on application. Infused with moisture-locking hyaluronic acid and conditioning witch hazel, the skin instantly reaps the benefits of moisture, balances skin thirst, helps protect skin from environmental stressors. A blend of microfine powders blurs the appearance of fine lines and large pores for a more vibrant-looking complexion. And it says to apply to freshly cleansed and toned skin in the morning, great for daytime use under makeup to help promote longer wear. So I'm excited for this. I always like testing new skin products and stuff, so that is going to be fun. I think, oh, my hair is caught on the sticker. Just take that out. The last thing I have in here is the Hinali Hawaiian Lip Balm Trio and SPF 15. They are also vegan. So let's go ahead and pull these out. It doesn't really say much about the product other than the ingredients. So you get obviously 3 in here. There's Island Mint, Tropical Citrus, and an unscented one. Let's see what they smell like. That's definitely super pepperminty. That's the mint one. Tropical Citrus. I don't know if I can't really smell this one. The citrus one really doesn't have that much of a scent, to be honest. Then, see if this is actually unscented. Yeah, the unscented one and the citrus one are almost the same. This has like a tiny hint of citrus, so I'm going to try the mint one. I mean, it feels moisturizing. The mint tingles a little bit. It definitely has that taste of, I don't know if you've ever used SPF lip balms before, but they've got like this sunscreeny flavor, if that makes sense. But I feel like these will be nice to have to use during the summer, or even not during the summer. Like, you can always use SPF. So I'm excited to have these, and I will be throwing one of them into my bag. So that is the last thing in here. I'm really excited for this stuff. I'm sure you can tell I'm mostly excited for like the homeware stuff, but these things are awesome too. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!